just got back in Belize City after spending 3 days over on the western side of the country near San Ignacio, trying some street food, meeting some locals, and then checking out the ruins and the amazing waterfalls here. But today we drove 2 hours back to the coastal side of the country because we're hopping on a water taxi and going to the islands, which is what Belize is best known for. We gotta get on this water taxi, and there's whitecaps out on the water, so hopefully it's not too rough, because we opted to do the water taxi over the plane because it's cheaper. We'll see how it goes. Thank you.
Pretty good.
Yeah? So we are meeting up with some friends here. If you saw our Colorado vlog, then you know who we're talking about.
Wow.
What's up?
Hi, it's so good to see you. Oh my goodness. Hello. How are you?
What's up, dude? How was your stay? It was good. How you doing? Thank you.
You got full-on service.
Look at this service. They already rented a golf cart because that's basically the only way to get around on this island. There are cars, but golf cart's the way to move. This is sweet.
Get this. Gotta have one of these on, bro.
Is that right?
You must.
Really?
So San Pedro has a lot of hotels and resorts here, but we actually did another Airbnb with the 4 of us, and it's kind of in like this condo association looking thing. But it's got waterfront views, so hopefully it's looking pretty sweet.
Well, hello! Welcome to the humble abode.
That's the on the left. Yep.
Are we left?
Yep. You got the master suite.
No, you didn't.
Oh, you didn't have to do that?
Why?
This is nice.
Dang. Oh, wow. This is so sick.
Yeah, right?
Mal, where are we off to first? All right, we're going to Secret Beach. Molly told us, but I had the lens on it, so it's awkward.
Yeah, you want to feel peace of mind, tranquility, go to Sunset Palace, all right?
Sunset Palace.
5-minute complimentary massage.
What about this?
Don't worry about him. You're on.
Just
Go ahead. Okay, now.
let's do it.
You got a free shot on your arrival, okay?
Wow.
Go ahead.
All right.
Some massages.
Wow.
All right, so we made it to Secret Beach, but we're actually at Sunset Palace first. The guy at Secret Beach talked us into coming here. It said free shots, which we already got, and complimentary massage, so we'll see.
Oh, and more. Hello.
Thank you.
What is this mystery color?
Kamikaze.
Ooh,
Ozzy.
blue kamikaze. Thank you.
It's about to get
Absolutely.
wild.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta get a new hand, another hand.
Better looking guys first.
He's a what is
Cheers,
this?
kamikaze.
Is everything a kamikaze here?
Thank you.
Where are we?
Sunrise Palace?
I'm so confused. I thought we were going to the middle of nowhere beach. We're at like a...
Secret Beach?
What did you guys say?
I don't remember.
Painkiller.
Oh, painkiller. Yes.
No, you got some pain?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm looking at him.
You got some...
After Taylor's clever joke, we were heading to check out the sunset until Adrian, the guy who told us to come here, decided to share a local tip with us, tuning up our golf cart, making it much faster. He said,
I hate to see people go slow, honestly.
That's fair.
and we were okay with it.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah. It rides great, Adrian.
Change in plans. We were just about to leave Secret Beach, but
There's this cute little bar. And there's that great sunset. Maul's getting a new dog.
No.
Can't pay my paying in the
So I think it's safe to say that Secret Beach is not so secret. I just had to run away from the music so we don't get a copyright claim. But as you pull up to Secret Beach, there are a ton of bars and it's pretty touristy, but the bars are really fun and the people are so nice. And I guess it's still relatively cheap because the dollar is half of a Belizean dollar. So like you get like a special drink for like $7, which is pretty fun. As you can tell, I had a couple, but the sunset was killer, but it's getting late and we need to drive home before it gets too dark because we're just driving a little golf cart on these roads that are pretty sketchy. So hopefully we'll get some dinner before the end of the night. Made it out alive. Hold on!
Oh, my sunglasses, I just got them.
Took us half the time after Adrian's hookup.
I mean, to be fair, we were feeling a little bit more loose.
Oh, Kevin, we're gonna get more loose. Let's go.
Goodness. He's a bad influence.
How's my responsible baby?
Good.
Look at him. Locking up the golf cart so nobody takes it.
We gotta make it home somehow.
I mean, thank God for you, am I right?
All right, so we are at the truck stop for dinner. It is probably about a mile from our place, and it has a whole bunch of containers which have all different restaurants. So we're psyched.
It's actually pretty solid.
Yeah. Sick.
Thursday afternoon, right? We're gonna be pounding beers.
Back to our spot. The dog house.
The dog house.
Can be.
Yeah, where you stay at? The dog house. Did your wife put you there? No, I chose to be there.
Good morning, everybody. I think it's safe to say that yesterday was a party rally day, and I think today we're going snorkeling, scuba diving maybe, probably snorkeling, because right in front of me is the second largest barrier reef in the entire world. So I think the gang is still sleeping. It's still only 5:40 in the morning, but this view is really, really nice. What you call golf cart island life. Oh god. There's a bunch of breakfast shops right around here.
So Kev, you wanna tell us all about your ordering? First you got a water,
Backfired.
then you got a mango,
Which is delicious.
then you ordered to build your own.
And then he said the fried jack is fabulous, so I went with it. Mine eggs.
Oh,
Beans.
second time's a charm for you both times, right?
Yeah, there'll probably be a third pivot before we're done here.
Top 5 fruit. When they're in their prime, in the juiciest and in season. Grapefruit, mango, pineapple, blackberry, kiwi.
What you got?
All right, so I'm gonna go pineapple, grapefruit, mango, strawberry,
Ooh,
apple.
didn't see that coming.
Apple? What? You never eat apple.
When the
Wait.
When the apple is
Wait.
at its we're talking about all at its freshest.
What do you got?
Oh, I'm not prepared.
All right,
Banana?
I'm throwing a banana in there, but not number one.
You got a place, dude.
Kiwi, number one. Mango, pineapple, watermelon, banana.
Nice.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I'm kiwi,
There we go.
mango, raspberry.
Okay, that's fair.
Ooh. When raspberries aren't in there, when they
They
They hit.
they hit, dude.
Banana, but when it's partially green, so
Yeah, she's
not
a
when
whack-
it's ripe.
She's a wacko.
Yeah, when it's a speck of brown.
No whack.
No more.
She likes
Watermelon, I think.
Yeah, watermelon's incredibly
the
refreshing.
commonality thing that we all
Yeah.
said
Mango.
was
Mango
mango was in the
and
top 3.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Kiwi. You didn't say kiwi.
I didn't say kiwi.
I didn't
Wow.
say pineapple.
Let us know what your top 5 is.
Estelle's breakfast was top notch. Top notch. We are headed
Try a fried jack if you're in Belize for sure.
with the Mayan eggs.
Yeah, that's
So
probably
good.
critical.
So good.
What kind of juice we got here? Is this a watermelon? Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Passion fruit?
Yep, that's it.
All right.
Tuxedo.
This place is really cute. I might have to get a coffee here tomorrow.
Okay.
So when I say might, I will be getting coffee tomorrow.
So the ladies went to the bougie farmhouse cafe while the men went to the cooler. The roadside juice cooler. We got 3.
Oh.
Watermelon, pineapple, and passion fruit.
Ooh, passion fruit.
Passion fruit could be a little debatable.
Why?
I can't remember what passion fruit tastes like.
I think it'll be good.
Thank you.
Tastes like straight soil.
Really?
Yeah, it kind of tastes like it has beets in it, but I don't think it does.
The guy had beet juice.
It's lime, ginger, spinach.
This is great.
I forget what else.
This is fabulous. We are about to go scuba diving. No, snorkeling. Snorkeling to 2 spots in San Pedro, which is some marine natural reserve where hopefully we'll see a bunch of stingrays and nurse sharks. And then there's another spot called Shark Alley, which we'll see a bunch of the nurse sharks. I don't know if we'll see any teethy sharks, but we'll see. What do you think? That was a lot of fun. Go, Chica. That was honestly one of the best snorkeling experiences we have done so far. That was Ken's first time snorkeling, and it's kind of a bummer because it was so good that the bar is set a little too high. Not a bad spot to eat.
Oh, quite good.
Pretty good food. Don't get the buffalo chicken sandwich.
Not good.
That sucks. Get the
Get
shrimp tacos. Ketos are really good.
The Mexican food is definitely
Fried
where they're
pickles.
thriving.
Skirt! Look at that service.
You want to try, buddy?
Last night in San Pedro.
Say it ain't so.
Right? I'm gonna miss this place.
We're playing Dutch Blitz right now, and if you saw our vlog in Colorado,
I'll miss you when you're gone.
Blitz. Miley and Ken introduced us to this game, and it is so fun that Taylor, when we got home, bought it right away. She remembered to bring it here, even though we thought Miley and Ken were going to bring it because they bring it literally everywhere with them, but they forgot it, so thank God Taylor did. And this game is so fun. We highly recommend it. We are so grateful that you guys introduced us to the game.
Dutch Blitz!
So I've been sitting here this morning editing, and I'm having my happy juice from yesterday. If you're in Belize and you see someone selling colored juices in water bottles on the side of the road, get them. They're really good, fresh, natural juices. Well, they claim to be natural, I don't know. But this is just like smashed watermelon in a water bottle, and it's delicious and really cheap.
It is our last morning in San Pedro, or last day in San Pedro, and we are headed to Marbuck's for our morning breakfast before we head out on the Waxy, also known as the water taxi.
I'll be real with you guys. I wasn't too excited about Belize because it's not on the Pacific side of Central America, so there's not really a surfing wave here, even though there are waves crashing over the reef right in front of me. But this country surprised me. It's beautiful and it's awesome. And the snorkeling is unbelievable. I can't imagine what the scuba diving is like. And the mainland's really cool. The people are so nice. It's English speaking, so it's super easy to get by. And it's cheap. Everything's like 50% off kind of, because your dollar, the US dollar, is half of the Belizean dollar. So it's really nice. If you do come to Belize though, San Pedro is like the touristy, more party area, but it is really nice. It's island life. The prices are a little bit more expensive, but that's likely because we're on an island and everything has to be shipped here by boat. So it makes it a little bit more difficult from a supply chain sense. But next stop is Caye, and I cannot wait to check that spot out.
As fast as you can imagine. There's only one reason it's making it fast.
Man, me and Ken, we're just having a friendly conversation and we turn around and the girls are taking us down some wild road.
Off-roaded.
I don't know.
Where are we?
So the crocodiles are right over there, but I think there might be some over here too.
They might
This is all Mahogany Bay. This is all gonna be the
They
north.
might sacrifice us.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah, we got this. We got this.
I'm not sure if this is an area where you're supposed to be.
This is the place that has like white shiplap.
We were hoping to see gators there, but no luck. There you can see all the gators. Well, where the gators were resting. Now they're eating or something.
The cracks. It's quite the squeeze space you got there, guys.
Squad deep, luggage deep.
Nothing like 4 people and luggage on a golf cart.
Tay looks nice and cozy. Boys are
Actually,
touching
I'm not
butts.
bad. I'm really not bad. We'll see.
In the next episode, we wrap up our tour of Belize, taking you to San Pedro's neighboring island, Caye, where we try more local food and take a leap off the lazy lizard ladder jump.